Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert 3D drawing to 2D. So you can see this is this orthographic projection view. How to create the orthographic projection view. So to convert this 3D drawing into 2D drawing, you required one 3D drawing, and you can easily convert this 3D drawing into 3D orthographic projection. So how to do this? Let us start now. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video you will get the notification of my video. So you can see this is one 3D bungalow, and I have to convert this 3D into 2D orthographic projection. So how to convert this? First of all, for to convert this one, you have to go to this in layout. You can see this is the layout, and we have to insert one new layout. So it will take a little bit time. Then you can see this is initializing layout plot setting, so it is under process. So let us finish. Okay, it's done. So go to this layout and right click here, and you can select here the template from template. Okay, so you can see here there are a number of templates. So I need this tutorial aim architectural. Okay, so select this aim arch and then click on open and then click OK. So you can see here is one layout is inserted, and you can see here this is ready-made template. So how to start this conversion? So you can see this is, you have to, first of all you have to convert this AutoCAD 2D to 3D modeling. So how to convert this? You can click here, and you can found here before it was in drafting annotation, or so you can click here 3D modeling. Okay, so it's already here in 3D modeling, and now you can go here view, click here. Okay, and you can set the projection first. So you can click on this arrow, and you can see here this first angle projection and third angle projection. So you can do any types. You can select in between any one of these projections. So I'm going to select the first angle projection, click OK, and then again go to this view, click on this space arrow, and you can select from model space, because our my drawing is prepared in AutoCAD model space. So select the model space. Okay, then you can see here this is your side view, front view. You can see, click here, and after click you can change here view type. You can see here there is a hidden line, visible lines, visible and hidden lines shaded. So anyone you can select. See, visible and hidden line I'm selecting, only visible, enter. Okay, and I want this right view, then top view. If you want to create the top view, simply make your arrow down. Okay, and click here. And if you want 3D view, simply take your cursor in this side in the angular direction, and then it is automatically created the 3D view. So simply click it here. Okay, so these four views are created, and now you have to press the enter button. So you can see this is automatically created all these views in very simple ways. So if you want to convert your 3D modeling drawing to 3D projection view, 3D orthographic projection view, you can easily convert this by using this method. So I think you guys learn how to convert this 3D view, 3D model view to 2D orthographic projection, any projection. So see, I not did anything here. So it software is automatically converted these views, and there is a very correct and very accurate method. So nothing is missed in these views because this is converted by software. In this you have to do some annotation work. Just text, you have to place the tags, you have to place the grid and all, etc. So these you have to do this annotation work. So I hope you guys learn how to convert 3D to 3D view to 2D orthographic projection views in AutoCAD. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.